Let's jump right into this explainer. Here's your step-by-step guide to installing Cygwin on Windows 11.
Craving those powerful Linux commands without the hassle of booting up a clunky virtual machine?
Enter Cygwin. It's a lightweight emulation layer, giving Windows that true Linux look and feel. It completely bypasses heavy resource-draining virtual machines, so your system stays fast and optimized. First up, grab the 64-bit setup file right from the official Cygwin.com website. Open that downloaded file and just hit Yes on the standard Windows security prompt. The setup wizard pops up. Just click Next to get things rolling. Keep the default install from internet option checked and click Next again. Simply click Next through the root directory, local package, and system proxy default settings. Now pick a mirror physically close to your location to guarantee the fastest download speeds. This is cool. You can handpick specific packages to totally customize your Unix utilities. Give your custom software selections a quick look over, then click Next to start downloading. Your chosen packages will automatically download and install. It usually just takes a few moments. Check the boxes for handy desktop and start menu shortcuts, then hit Finish. And you're done. Go ahead and launch your new Cygwin shell right from the desktop. Look at that, a fully functional Linux command line running directly inside Windows 11.